right, let's do some review for oral skills final exam. We're just going to do the dictation portion. I'm going to cover the setup, the shorthand, and the notation for rhythm only, and then what is the setup, shorthand, and notation for melodic, okay? So for your rhythm only, we are only going to be given the meter and how many measures to get our setup. So for this exercise, let's say it is quadruple simple. So you'll write in your 4/4 here. And let's say it's 2 measures. So you want to give yourself plenty of room. Make sure you draw double bar lines for the second measure, okay? And then, because I know it's quadruple simple, I'm going to divide my measure equally. Let me erase the word only so I can have some room here. Okay, and same thing with the second measure. Line that up. Okay, and then she's going to give us a 1 measure count off and then the rhythm. So it'll be something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. So from that, while that is playing, you could be making some markings. It's kind of hard for me to play and to mark at the same time, so I'm going to just say, I'm going to chant this so that I can be marking while it's going on. So with the count in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, 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 off. Okay? Now, I like to put the dots for every attack or every time I hear a new tone. But the proper notation here would be, well, I heard 2 tones in that beat. I only heard 1. I heard 2 tones in this beat. I only heard 1. I heard one here. I didn't hear anything on this beat. I heard 1 here, and I didn't hear anything on that beat. So that's how I would set up. That's how I would start my shorthand, okay? Next time through, 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. And then after listening to that and checking my shorthand, I'd start filling in the notes. I heard ta, ti, ta, ta, ti, ta, ta, here's my rest, ta, my rest, and off, okay? So the first time I'm doing my shorthand where I'm putting a dot every time I hear sound. If I noticed there were 2 dots in the same beat, I'd put a slash, okay? If I didn't hear a sound for that beat, I'd put an R. Second time around, I'm listening and I'm making a commitment to the actual note values. Third time, I'm actually conducting and reading along to see if what I've written matches what she said. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Off, okay? The example I'm using is from page 16, number 3, first 2 measures, okay? All right, so that's how you set it up there for rhythm. Let's do another example for rhythm. Let's do this one, 3, 4. So she's going to give us triple simple meter, 2 measures. She might only give us 1 measure. That would be nice, but I'm writing 2 measures. I want to mark out, divide my space. It's not perfectly even.